right. Nice. First cast on the chartreuse epic mold swim bait. Little guy, he's all mine. See you later, dude. Okay, well, I decided to do some investing into my future. And by that I mean buy a mold to make my own little swim baits. I fish small bodies of water, so I figured this little 3-inch swimmer is absolutely perfect for the kind of fishing that I do. I just took some random plastics, melted them, and made this little ugly thing. Is it perfect? No. But it's mine. And it works. That's the only thing that matters. Oh, was that a fish? I do. Look at that. Oh. See you later, bud. I caught him on this color. This is a dookie brown color. I basically melted everything and dipped the tail in some chartreuse. As for colors, I'm at the mercy of whatever plastics I have lying around. Oh, look at that, a snake. Nice. There it goes. On the homemade swim bait. Oh, yee. There it goes. Come on. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Yes. Finally. Oi. I dropped them anyways. Oh. Little bass using the little swim bait. Nice. Alrighty, bud. See ya. There goes another one. By another one, I mean another one lost. There it goes. Come on, buddy. No. All right. Nice. Quarter pounder, maybe. See you later, buddy. Okay, well, no luck on the white. Let's switch back to that Dookie Brown. There it goes. Yes. Yes. Oh, yee. This is going to be the video where I've lost the most fish. Amazing. There it goes. Oh, I saw you take it, boy. Right. There you go. Absolutely no love for the white swim bait today. They want the Dookie Brown. That's all okay by me. Hey. See you later, buddy.